In this video, we will learn how to use the Timeplates Daily Cards templates. The template shown here is the 3x5 vertical blank template. However, all the daily card templates are similar. Their only major distinction is the size of the printed card. To change the dates on the cards, simply change the date in the A1 cell of the first sheet. All the other dates will change based on this cell. You can type in your to-do list directly onto the cards or paste them from the time planner or monthly planner templates. To make sure the formatting does not change when pasting in the list, you may want to paste as unformatted text. This will keep the style and font consistent. Which brings us to an important feature of these cards. You have the option to change the font, style, and color of these cards. You can make them look the way that works best for you. One word of caution though, changing the size of the columns or rows will change the size of the printed cards. So think through your changes before changing the sizes of the columns and rows. When your day lists are complete, you just simply print the cards. Cut down and hole punch whatever is necessary. Carry them with you and scratch off tasks as you complete them. It will help you stay focused and will help you make every moment matter. You will find this template and many more at timeplates.com.